emaciated.
Yeah, he doesn't look too good. Don't go around him. Hope he finds some food. He looks kind of scrawny.
Oh, I've got a piece of pork out there.
He's just got the mange.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. He looks kind of mangy. Well, maybe he's okay then.
Well, yes. It's pretty miserable to have the mange.
But I mean,
yeah, no.
Survivalishly.
He's,
incredible. What a Marlin Perkins day it has been so far. And the day's not half done. Let's hope we don't get any bears.
John, if we put that out around the corner of the house, that piece of leftover pork, he might find that.
poor little guy. He's eating. He's eating that sunflower seed.
He's eating seeds or popcorn. I threw out a little popcorn yesterday. Oh, I threw out some cereal a while ago. What was left in the bottom of that bag.
Not looking too good. Got the mange. Need Dr. Pendyke.
Yeah.
Boy, he looks awful.
Yeah.
I'd stay away from her. Of course, I'd stay away from a fox anyway.
They're actually pretty good pets
Really?
if you raise them.
I didn't know that.
Boy, if we could give that meat a big fling out there without him just running away.
Yeah, he's
Is he finding anything at all that
yeah, he's eating that sunflower stuff. Now he's just hanging out.
Gosh, who knows what's next?
Mom, do you have that?
What?
Now he's coming up to.
I think he's finding the little squares of cereal.
That old Life cereal that you threw out?
Yeah, there was about a dozen or so pieces left in the very bottom of the bag, and I just flipped them out there out of the box.
Well, what if we pulled off a piece of meat off of like a hamburger?
He's
Well,
taking
there's
off.
a piece of pork in there.
He's
Maybe throw it out? Or not? You think that's not a good thing to do?
he's taking off
He's leaving.
Which way is it going?
to the west.
That's where they usually go. Going back down toward the gully, then back toward the woods.
Yep, making rounds.
Wow. What's next? Stegosaurus?